Hi guys, today we are detailing a Porsche Cayman GT4, one of my personal favourites, and it looks absolutely fantastic in black. Now Dan's just working on the preparation at the moment, so that's a full snow foam clean and all the decontamination, and he's currently just doing the wheels to start with. So the reason why we've got this GT4 with us today is because the paintwork is not looking its best. The customer dropped us an email a few weeks ago and said that it's full of swirls and scratches and it looks pretty dull. And we definitely agree once we've put our scan grip lightings on it. So once Dan's finished the preparation wash, we're going to bring the vehicle inside, and that's when the polishing is going to start. Now the polishing is in aid to remove all of these swirl marks and scratches, and once we've done that, the vehicle will be looking just like new. So we've got the GT4 inside now, and we're going to be working on the machine polishing. I'm using our new Mark III LHR 15 polishers. So we just bought 3 of these and really excited to use them. The old polishers certainly were feeling their age, so it's good to get some new toys. Now the GT4, like we spoke about, has got a lot of swirls and scratches in the paint. I'll grab the light now and I'll just be able to show you just a quick example of the different swirls, scratches and everything else that's in the paintwork that we need to improve to get the car looking how it should. Now I've put a piece of tape down here just for demonstration purposes, and I'm using a Lake Country pad here, and I'm going to do some polishing and then we're going to reveal the tape, and we should get a really crisp finish once we're done. So I've just finished the polishing on this side, and this is the before, this is the after. We're going to reveal this tape line, and we'll be able to see under the light a crisp and clear difference. Now this is still to be refined and it's still having more polishing, but check out the difference. So day one is complete on the Cayman GT4, and it's been a super productive day. Dan started with the wash outside and we cleansed everything and decontaminated the surfaces before Ryan and Jack started on the machine polishing. Now the GT4 had our 2-stage machine polish, so if we dissect that, the first stage is all about cutting. That's cutting out all the swirl marks, the scratches and any of the little holograms in the paintwork. That's what's unsightly to see when the sun's outside. Now the second stage is refining. That's a lot of a softer compound, it's a softer polish, and that's all about lustering the finish and making sure it looks as glossy and best as possible. Now the vehicle is now going to be prepared for the ceramic coating, and we're going to be using CQuartz UK, a fantastic one-layer ceramic coating for really good gloss and great water beading. Once the coating's done, we're going to work onto the interior. So the interior of this is looking a bit tired. The leather's looking a bit glossy. It's had some silicone dressings on there, so we're going to remove all of that, get the best surface, and then we're going to be applying a G-Technic leather and fabric protection package. Once that's all done, it'll be ready for the customer to collect, and it should look just like new.